lane, girl, fuck what they looking at. We the dogs getting chased by the pussycat.
Hey guys, it's Oceans Faith back with another video, and today I'm doing a taste test of the new Zero Gravity Blizzard at Dairy Queen. I never really do these, taste test things, but I decided why not to, because, it's to try something new. I know I haven't posted in a hot minute, but I'll explain that in the next video, so look out for that. But yeah, let's just get right into it. It apparently has Oreo and cotton candy pieces in there. You can kind of see that. Sorry for the sun. There you go. Fail. I don't want to try it yet though. But yeah, that was a fail. Oreo and cotton candy pieces. So let's do this. It's really good. Very crunchy because of all the stars and stuff at the top. I don't taste a whole bunch of cotton candy. It's more Oreo than anything. Oh, there's the cotton candy. Yeah, I taste it. It's really good. Only downside is I can tell that this food coloring is definitely gonna stain my tongue and teeth. No big deal. Just brush again, like you're supposed to do twice a day anyway. So other than that, if I had to rate it out of 5 stars, I'd give it a 4, because I like Oreo and I like cotton candy stuff. My brother will probably like this. I just gotta give him some. He's gonna be mad that I tried this without him, but he'll be okay. At the end of this video, not cotton candy, Zero Gravity Blizzard. It's a limited time. I don't know when it ends. Today is June 25th. So I don't know. It keeps dripping all over me. I don't know when it's gonna end. But yeah, I'm just gonna go so I can get the paper towels in the back of my car so I can clean this up before it gets really messy. So I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.